Are you looking to replicate your physical classroom in the online world? Today, there are several platforms that can be used to conduct classes online, but most of these are quite complicated and designed more for meetings and webinars rather than teaching. So they are not truly effective in replicating your physical classroom online. This is where Upgrad's live platform comes in. To use it, you don't need to install any application or software. It is as simple as opening any other website like, say, Google or Facebook. All you need to do is open a window and type live.upgrad.com. We also know that all teachers and students will not have strong internet connections. This is why Upgrad Live has been designed to operate even if your internet speed is as low as 1 Mbps. Since Upgrad Live is specifically designed for teaching, you can do all the things you would normally do in your classroom, from taking attendance to making presentations and even giving quizzes. We also know that often teachers will have to figure out this new technology on their own, so our platform is simple, intuitive, and easy to use. You don't need to be a tech whiz to use it and can instead spend your time working on your lecture. And in case you do need help, we have a dedicated point of contact to help you with the onboarding. So don't worry about being left alone. All your classes also get recorded on our platform by default. So if a student was unable to log in live, or if they just want to revise certain concepts, we can make the recording of your lecture available. All this sounds good? Now wait till you see how easy it is to use. Simply go to live.upgrad.com and enter your registered email and password. You can access all your sessions in one place, be it upcoming ones, older ones, or even cancelled ones. To start a session, click Launch Now. Please check whether your microphone and camera are in a good working condition. Please ensure that your browser has access to your camera and microphone as shown. During the session, you can turn your audio, video, and your screen share on or off with a single click. By sharing your screen, you will be able to show the presentation on your computer to all your students. The students can not only see the presentation but also your face, so it will keep them engaged like in a real classroom. You can also chat with your students under group chat. This helps keep your sessions interactive and makes students participate in the class. If your students have any doubts, you can see them under the Doubts section. You can view all unresolved doubts under the Open Doubts tab and resolve them in real time by either typing your answers or answering them live in class. If you want to check whether the students have understood the topic, you can give them a quiz. This in-class assignment can be kept ready beforehand and then published or revealed to the students during the session. You will instantly be able to see how many students have attempted a certain question and how many have got the answer right. You can even choose to publish the grades immediately or do so at a later date. You can also see how many students are currently participating in the class by clicking the participants icon. Apart from this, once your online lecture is over, you can get personalized feedback on the session by conducting a poll amongst your students. Once you end the session, you will get access to detailed analytics. Not only will the attendance be captured for you, but you will also be able to see how long each student spent on the lecture and your in-class quiz results. So, not only does Upgrad let you replicate your real-life classroom online, but it also gives you many added features which ensures a better learning experience for your students.